November, second week, may snow na. Kaya guys, halina kayo. Ah! Parang ang sarap gumawa ng halo-halo dito.
3, 2, 1.
Nakalak siya. Don't worry, akala ko nag-play yun. Hindi na muna ako makapag-picture kasi takot ako mag-picture. It's so freezing cold and I'm so happy to see ice. Ice. Wow! Fantastic. So, ayan. Snow tayo. Dito tayo sa snow. Ay! Oh my God. Tayo. Makapapangga ako ng cable car. Yes. Oh, lumulog ako. Lumulog ako. Guys, finally. Oh my God. So much. So much good. Ay. So, ay! Matulas! Ang ganda. Sana nandito yung aking love of my life. Hi, kiddos. Hi! Si Mama. Mga chararat. Hi! A good place to visit. Look around. Ayan, tapos na ako sa may snow. Dito naman tayo sa taas. Yan, if you want some coffee, you can sit here. And meron naman silang here, canteen, Coca-Cola. So here, ang ganda guys. Ang ganda. Ang lalim sa kamay. Basa na ako kasi nag-swimming ako kanina. It's super worth it na pumunta kayo dito. Guys, it's only 2,000 drums. Worth it. Two-way na, tapos makaka-experience ka pa ng snow on top of the mountain. The best. The best. The best part of this tour package, guys. Oh my God! Hi guys! Yes, hello! Nandito na kami. Ito yung mga snow. Ay, laro-laro tayo. Oh, shit! Wow! Ang saya-saya. So happy. Finally! Finally! Ang sarap dito, guys. Dito kami sa Ararat Resort, guys. Nag-DIY kami at nakakuha kami ng good deal. So, ayan. Sarili namin ang oras. Diba? Walang walang timer. So, may daanan. Papunta doon. Punta pa tayo din. Zipline tayo, guys. Parang ang sarap gumawa ng halo-halo dito. See? Hi. Hi. Going back to Safran. Let's enjoy the journey. Let's enjoy the view. Yes. Show me your shoes. Here, and look at the nature God has made. It's really beautiful. Amazing. Amazing talaga, guys. So fun. Ay nako, hindi ako magsasawa paulit-ulit na i-recommend na mag-visit kayo dito, lalo na yung mga hindi pa nakaka-experience ng snow. Picturesque view. Yeah, dito pa lang marelax talaga kayo. Super relaxing ang view, guys. Sa work, super stress. Dito mawawala stress nyo, guys. Yung feeling nyo, you don't want to come back to your work and just explore the place. Diba? It's so wonderful. Too much. Hangin. Let's go to our next destination. See you in a bit.